Hey guys, in this short video I'm going to discuss with you 5 types of paste option in Microsoft Excel. So stay tuned and watch till the end. First option is normal paste option. Press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V so it will simply paste my value. Second option is paste value. For example, if our copied data contain any kind of formula but I do not want to copy the formula, so I will use the paste as a value. Press Ctrl C and then press Alt E S V, press enter. Now you can see this value has been pasted without any formula in its background. Third is paste formula. If I want to paste the formula, press Ctrl C and then Alt E S. For formula, press F, Alt E S F, then press enter. Now you can see the formula has been copied. Number 4 option is paste transpose. If I want to transpose the value, select the values, Ctrl C and then Alt E S E, press enter. Now you can see this row has converted into column and this column has converted into row. So this is just a shifting of value. Number last is paste formatting. If I want to paste the formatting, press Ctrl C and then Alt E S T, press enter. Now you can see this formatting has been pasted. If I type anything here, it will follow the source formatting. So these were the 5 types of paste option. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.